Hey, this silent solution today we'll see RHCSA exam question solution another part 3. Let's go. This is part 2 and 1 and this is my playlist. You can see my playlist. I think I have many idea here. And let's go. Today solve uh, scheduling job every 3 minutes run the above user this job. Let's go. First of all, we are go to our terminal. Here is ls, here is cat Ansible CSV file, cat inventory file. It's okay. Good. Now let's go. We are create team YML. Let's go insert name job. Host task task just name. This question have mentioned user, which user is create scheduling. Here we are just creating user first of all. Chart. User module is user. Name Bob. Day present. Now create the scheduling every day job. This module is Cron. Let's go name job every this user was minute every 3 minutes run the job has message print job logger RHCE is running. Let's go and save playbook for syntax check. Ansible playbook. Empty. Yeah, we are checking. Yeah, really we are mention your job. Here is we are all host select, but when your exam that mention your dev group, test group, etc. You have to your mention exam when exam that is mentioned. Just now checking. I think it's my place. Okay. Now we are just dry run display. I think our place. Okay. Now we are checking and several all a CRON TAP tab LU DOF. Here is no job because we are now till now not run this play. Let's go. We are run this play. Just waiting. Yeah, our play is run. Now we are again check this issue. Yeah, every 3 minutes is running reset. This thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and see. I think you have many idea here. Thanks for watching.